Welcome to this new video where we will show you how to prepare enticing polenta rolls with a melting heart of cheese and speck. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now so you don't miss out on the upcoming delicious recipes, and visit our website for more tasty dishes. The ingredients we need are 250 grams of instant polenta, 1 liter of water, salt, 200 grams of speck or prosciutto crudo, 100 grams of taleggio cheese or fontina, butter, sage, 100 milliliters of cream, optional, and black pepper. Bring the water to a boil in a large saucepan and salt it. Pour the instant polenta in a steady stream. Reduce the heat and cook according to the package instructions, stirring frequently with a whisk to avoid lumps. Once the polenta is cooked, pour it onto a wet surface or tray and spread it with the back of a spoon until it is about 1 centimeter thick. Let it cool completely. Cut the cooled polenta into rectangles of suitable size to be rolled up. On the surface of each polenta rectangle, lay a slice of speck or prosciutto crudo and a piece of taleggio or fontina cheese. Roll up the rolls and secure them with a toothpick if necessary. In a pan, melt some butter and add a few sage leaves to flavor the butter. Place the rolls in the pan and brown for a few minutes on all sides. At this point, you can add cooking cream if you want a creamy sauce, letting it reduce until it slightly thickens. Serve the rolls hot with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Polenta is very popular in the northern regions of Italy and can be prepared in many ways. In Lombardy and Piedmont, for example, it is also enjoyed with mushroom or meat sauce. Polenta rolls represent a creative variant to reuse leftover polenta or to present this ingredient in a different and appetizing form.